Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. So I finally finished my booth. I'm so excited. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let you see the booth. This is the back booth. So when you come in the front, you just go all the way to the back and turn right and you'll see it. So I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to show you both. Alrighty, here we go. You know, anytime you set up a booth, you're never really excited about how it comes out. I can piddle and play, place, replace, but sometimes it is what it is. I do put a little bit of new in the booth. I always have to have something cute, handmade. I like to put like a variety of items. And I definitely always tuck extra underneath the tables. Sometimes my husband says, Susan, you put too much in there. But when you're paying for a space, you know, you want to utilize every bit of it. Uh-oh, I think I hear the music, so I need to keep talking. And then I'll show you the booth up front. It has a whole lot more Christmas. Definitely, here's a display corner cabinet. You can't really see it, but it's kind of neat. And that chair, it's a high chair, and you push the bar on the back and it turns into a child's rocker. So, alrighty. So let's go up front and let you see that part. Alrighty guys, so this is the front booth. Definitely have the handmade and vintage. If that dresser looks familiar, yes, it was in the wedding. Figured since it was out, no need to put it in the garage. I tried to do green, red, silver, gold, and of course white. I have brought some of my handmade stuff in. I still need to go home and finish more. Ooh, I remember, I gotta price that mirror. So, I'm gonna walk around this way. Just give you a little glimpse. I know this is kind of fast. The radio's playing, so I have to keep talking. I even brought some of the stuff from inside the house. Look at that. How funny is that? Yum. Their hamburgers are good. Alrighty, guys. Well, until next time. I did forget to bring a bottle brush tree. I thought those would be cute with a bottle brush tree sitting on top. Alrighty, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're out and about, they're gonna have their Christmas open house starting November the 2nd. So until next time, my friends.